Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'll show you the Fast Checker feature. What is the Fast Checker and how would it benefit you? The Fast Checker is a feature that allows you to compare a previous credit report that you did towards the new updated credit report of your client, taking in consideration the letters you have mailed out. Meaning to say, it would let you know whenever there's any deletions. It would easily allow you to compare the previous one and the most updated report of your client so that you could easily update your client with any results. How would it benefit you? You won't have to spend a lot of time or hours just comparing two different reports to see if you got any deletions. To access the Fast Checker, first you could access it through the customer screen. Locate the client that you wish to work on. And under the action section, you may click on the green dispute icon, or you could easily access from the tab Dispute Manager. And once you are routed to the credit score screen, you could jump into the tracking screen. Again, you could easily switch from one customer to another right here at the top from the drop-down menu option. We also do have different training videos right here from this screen to know more about different functionalities and features that you could actually maximize. You may want to go through watching tracking training video to know other icons that's available in the tracking screen. Now to run a fast check, first you would have to select the report type. And before you even run a fast check, this is the time when you are done doing all the other preparations, meaning to say you have signed up the client, imported a credit report, you created an analysis report already, you sent out and created your first round of dispute, and 30 days have gone by, or depending on the follow-up letter due that you have created, it's now time for you to check for any updated reports and check for any results, deletions, or anything that you got. So once you're done doing so, all your letters will be appearing here in the grid, of course. These are the ones that you have mailed out previously. And if you're ready to run a fast checker, just choose the report type that you're using. Now, you could either do the manual way of downloading a credit report and uploading it. Let's say, for example, you choose any of the report type that's compatible. You log into your client's credit monitoring account, download the newest updated report that you have for them, and then upload it directly from here and then run a fast check. Or you could simply use what we call quick import. You just have to have your client's credit monitoring credentials and run a quick import in just a matter of clicking an icon. You could easily watch the quick import training video to know more about complete details on how you could use the quick import feature. Now, once you click on quick import, it would again do the comparison. Now, you have to take note, or just as disclosure, that the Fast Checker will not be 100% accurate, as it only depends on the reports you are importing. It depends on the initial report that you have imported, and it takes and gathers the data coming from the new updated report that you are using at the moment. So there are results that you may still have to check manually. They would be highlighted in yellow once you're done running a fast check. All you have to do to understand this further is click this tooltip, and it would only mean that you would have to go through checking the credit report manually just to confirm the deletion. Now let me show you how it looks like once you run a fast check. Once you're done running the fast check, it would show you the deleted items, number of deleted and repaired items per credit bureau, creditor, and collector. And of course, you would want to always read through the important disclosure letting you know that running a fast check, it would not always return as 100% accurate information due to the fact that we are relying on the third-party credit monitoring companies to provide the correct data. The way they pull the data from the credit bureaus change every time you pull a new credit report for your customer, and this could cause Fast Checker to be off sometimes when it is comparing the old and the new data. And of course, we don't recommend you running the Fast Checker if you are using the paper deletion model. And again, if ever that you get any results letting you know to check manually, you just have to simply open up the credit report or the updated report of your client and just review if you got a deletion. Once you hit OK from this pop-up, you'll be able to see the details right here in the grid. You'll see the items highlighted in red, meaning to say they are deleted. Again, this is the tooltip icon that could allow you to know more about what it means. So anything highlighted in red, it only means that it's deleted. From here, you could simply select these accounts once you're ready to update them. Click on Update Deleted Accounts, and this would move the accounts to the results screen. And it would automatically show the update that it's already deleted. From here, you can already send these results to your client and include the credit scores if you wish to. So that would complete our quick training tutorial about the Fast Checker.